Hi friends, welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. I'm your host Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, bariatric surgeon, and also the chief coordinator for Rotary District 3141 for 2021. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative, a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. WizBiz Talks is an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more people to make a difference to the community. Friends, I have immense pleasure in introducing to you a Rotarian of just 4 years, Ranjit Bijur from Rotary Club of Mumbai Dahisar. Friends, with just 4 years of Rotary experience, a premier club like Mumbai Dahisar, which has given a past district governor, has entrusted upon Ranjit Bijur the responsibility to take over the club as the president for the year 2021. This itself speaks volumes of the type of person he is. As much as I have known him, he's a delightful, pleasant personality, always charming, captivating everyone with his fascinating personality. But from work front, he's been a social worker who has worked extensively in social field for about 10 years in rural education and medical projects. And he, by classification, actually is an educator with classroom-based and online education. I had once asked him that how would you define yourself? He says, I'm an architect by education, and architect by education into education by profession, and a Rotarian by passion. He says, an architect by education, into education by profession, and a Rotarian by passion. So friends, this is in short how I would like to introduce our dear friend, a very close friend of mine, Rotarian Ranjit Bijur from Mumbai Dahisar. I present to you our dear friend Ranjit Bijur.
Thank you so much, Dr. Manish, for having me over. It's such an honor to be meeting you.
Ranjit, the honor and pleasure is absolutely mine, and I'm privileged to have you with me on the WizBiz Talks. Now, Ranjit, we have met a few times on the Rotary front, met in a few training events, but very few of us know more about your personal front. Would it be good enough for you to let us know a bit more so that we could know you better?
Sure. I'm blessed with an amazing wife, Poonam, who is also a Rotarian. And as a matter of fact, she is the main backbone that I have been so successful in so many social initiatives that I have been taking before and after joining Rotary. I have two sons, the elder one, Darsh, who is again currently the president of Rotaract, and my younger one, all keen, and he's only 10 years old, but he's all keen to wear a pin, So we got him a fake fancy pin, and that is what he wears. But let me tell you, he attends every Rotary meeting and comes to every project.
Oh, that's lovely. That's amazing. So Rotary is getting embedded into the family, going into the blood of Rotarians, and this is what we call is the sign of a true Rotarian. Now here we understand why a club like Mumbai Dahisar has entrusted the responsibility of taking the lead as president on the shoulders of Ranjit Bijur. Ranjit, this was about your personal front, but it is very complicated what your work stands for. You have studied something else, you practice something else, and I know you are known for some out-of-box thinking, but would you be kind enough to let all your friends in Rotary and others too know what you do on the professional front? Because there would be many who would like to tie up with you, either as Rotarians in their own businesses or as Rotary to ensure that we can do something, some type of social work and some education like work for the underprivileged. So would you like to throw some more light on that?
See, by education, I'm an architect. I have basically passed out of Rachna Sansad, but I was always an out-of-the-box architect. So in my third year, I did a college project that revolved around the canteen instead of the statues that everybody did, and they threw me out. So that was a opportunity. I came out, I said, let me start. I started a computer training institute with almost zero knowledge of IT. Then I went on. I think my story is very much like the COVID crisis. I think behind every adversity, you see an opportunity. By the time my computer business flourished, then came the dot-com burst and the 9/11. Everything collapsed suddenly. Then I saw that as an opportunity and I started one of the first BPO services company. BPOs were just coming in. So I have basically gone from 2, 3 different education sectors. And now that the current COVID crisis is there, I'm very busy basically migrating my entire company to a state-of-art LMS platform, which will. So I think whether it is COVID, whether it is adversity, whether it is anything, one has to change and adapt. That is only the key to survival.
That's a good piece of thought that you have told us. This will be motivating so many people today, because everyone going through COVID crisis is into a depression now as what will happen to their businesses. But such type of thought processes are definitely going to give them a big push that they need to start thinking out of the box so that they can make more out of their businesses and their professions. Now, this was about your work, Ranjit, but you have been interested upon the responsibility of Rotary Club of Mumbai Dahisar, a premier club of Rotary District 3141, and it is no joke. And you know that they trust you a lot, and they expect a lot from you. Now, when they expect a lot from you, I'm sure a person like you has done some planning. Then came COVID, and then all the challenges have come up. And I'm sure, again, a person like you would have had a plan B and a plan C to ensure that the work doesn't suffer. So I would like to know something more from on the Rotary front. What are your plans for the year 2021? And how do you plan to take over the challenges as an opportunity to shine in your Rotary year?
See, when I basically accepted the position of a president-elect, I knew the key behind any successful president is a good trainer and advisor. So what I did was I smartly picked up the best trainer and the best advisor one could wish for. And they have been doing a pretty good job. I think for the past 6, 7 months, they have been getting all my plans in order, the entire planning, everything. But there comes a COVID crisis. And suddenly what we had planned for 6, 7 months, everything goes, into a confusion, into a toss. But what I'm doing is I'm again getting back to my roots, what I did. Now, I have done a lot of work in these rural pockets, tribal pockets. You would be happy to know that I was just a new Rotarian and barely few months old. And I was behind the first skill development center of the district that started in Ganjar. That time, past President Rajesh Agarwal was the Avenue Chairman for skill development. So I'm just reworking all those cards. Now, see, because of the COVID crisis, we are all saying that masks is mandatory, sanitizers are mandatory. It's very easy for us to say here in Mumbai, but which of these rural or tribal girls or the poor girls in the slum pockets is going to afford to wear masks? So my first project is basically something now, a combination of skill development as well as COVID. Now there is a very, very, very filthy slum here known as Ketkipada in Dahisar. There in the month of July or August, I'm setting up a unit where these little girls will manufacture their own masks and also wear them with pride. So we meet both the things, So in that kind of a thing, I'm going to work extensively on these things. I'm trying to check where there is a need of ventilators or what all things we can do. I know it is a very big challenge, but we will do a lot of things.
That shows a lot of confidence, and I now understand that with these type of visionary Rotarians, there is no looking back, and I'm sure that the Vision 2021 year is going to be a huge success, raising the bar of service to unprecedented heights, and I'm sure we are going to achieve the best. Thank you, Ranjit. It was a pleasure having you on the WizBiz Talks, and I hope you enjoyed being with us on the talk show. And this is also innovation, and we could think of this rather than a conventional talk show. So I hope you enjoyed being with us over here, and best of luck for the year to come. I'm sure you're going to do great work for Rotary and for your club.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Manish. It was really a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Same.